Eugene.
Venturini, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
Hi Angeline, annyeonghaseyo.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Oh, kadiin kay gikan Inday.
Eskwelahan.
Nagunsa man mo?
Nag-practice.
Okay, nag-practice para sa inyong graduation. So, when is your graduation? Kano sa inyong graduation?
Tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow. So, what time?
2 p.m.
2 p.m. So, there in Boyong ang venue. Okay. So, kano sa ganito imong birthday?
May 25.
Okay, May 25, birthday na nimo. So, manata, nag-celebrate na to sa imong birthday, no? And, you have 1,000 pesos. And it is from SB Nim para sa pag-congratulate sa imong birthday.
Isbinim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
Okay, bye-bye, Day.
Bye.
안녕하세요, Eliza.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So, Kim Young-sunim gives you 100 pesos to buy some milk tea. So, what can you say?
Uncle Kim Young-sunim, thank you for milk tea.
Bye-bye, Eliza.
Bye-bye.
감사합니다.
Kamsahamnida. Annyeonghaseyo. We Parangnim, thank you for the refrigerator and for the grocery, and thank you that you sponsor me, and I really appreciate your help, and thank you that you give me money to buy vitamins, and thank you for thank you for everything, and thank you for the school supplies. Thank you so much. Kamsahamnida.
Paramnim, thank you very much for the sponsoring to my daughter, and thank you very much for your give the money to buy the refrigerator and the all this of the grocery and the pork here, hot dog, ham, and longganisa, and here Paramnim, kamsamida.